race it on the daily driver. So go up there, see what we see, and enjoy the day.
Beamer. And the Beamer, my God. Put it on. Joe,
Yeah.
what's up with the BMWs, man?
I don't know. There's a lot of them out.
My wife's favorite. Right on. Came here years ago and I was doing something like that.
Guys, we had to cut the line off.
Ryan, how you feeling about this race?
Man, I'm excited. Look, me and Sean have wanted this race for the finals. We haven't got it yet, but we're going to have to settle for the semifinals today. Look, obviously, he got one of the fastest cars here. I feel like I do too, so I know it's going to be a good race.
Alan, 1, 2. Get everything fixed?
Well, I think we did. I hope so. We got everything cleaned up. There was transmission fluid everywhere. They did a great, 5 guys got on it, literally cleaned it up quick. And the bolts were loose in the dump. We got that bolted back up. So I think we're going to be 100% good. That's the plan.
Ian, you done? How you doing, Sean? How's it feeling?
You know, just another race. I'd rather race him in the finals, but it is what it is. We've said it numerous times. We both suck at drawing. We're always going to draw each other. At some point, I'm sure we'll make it to the finals together, which is what we want, but I got to race him just like I raced anybody else.
Gets the win. Ryan Martin had something fail on the car, flames underneath it. That was going to be a drag race.
Fire, fire, fire.
What? Clear the starting line. You saw it look like it was on fire when it came to a stop. Ryan Martin's out of the car, so that's good. Ryan Martin is out of the car, so that is good. Your winner.
So we're heading home now. Congrats to Sean Martinova for the win. I hope you like this video. It's not going to be too long of one. Just kind of hit the high points. If you like what you see, please hit that like button, subscribe, and I'll see you next time.